Hello and welcome to the Canva training on templates, and today we're going to explore where it is on the system that you can find the templates. Now we are using the free version, so we are limited to the type of templates we want to use unless we want to upgrade to the pro version, which you can do for free for 30 days. So you can use the system on the pro for 30 days without having to incur any charges. So let's have a look. So this is your homepage. So templates is located on the top right bar, and if you highlight your mouse over there, then you'll see all the different types of templates that you can view. Now, if you click on that, it will take you to the templates area, and you'll see down the left-hand side, it's come up with all the different types of templates for you. So if you're looking for sort of more business-orientated templates, then go there, social media, videos, and all those on the left. And then also you can search by style. So if you're looking for something that's quite minimalistic, then you can click on that and then it'll show you all those options. And also themes, so if you will have a colour theme, and also whether you want to see the free or the pro version. Now, as we're in the free version, I think it's a good idea to check that box, because then it will bring the selection down a little bit more to what you've got on your system, so the free. And then you can see here there's all sorts of choices to be made. Again, you can still see that some of the values have gone down substantially, because obviously on the pro version you've got so much more choice. So let's have a look at minimalistic. I can't say that today. And in here you can see there's various types that you can use. So, you know, from Instagram posts to presentations, and you can see underneath that tells you what these are, you know, flyers, and we've got storyboards, so you can create stories for your Instagram, Facebook, and all of those. And yes, creating cards, business cards, photo, yeah, you can see even your CVs. So that's one place where you can look and find your templates. Now, if we go back to the home page, you can see that there's a few options that have come up here as well under the blue area, and you can search. So if you're looking for something in particular, I've searched for workbooks before, so let's have a look at those. Click on workbooks, see what happens, and you'll see lots of different options come up here. So this is the workbooks, and again, have we clicked free? So if you click on the free, then it will minimize it a bit more for you. So these are more specific to the budget that you've got, unless of course you want to pay the extras for the pros, which is absolutely fine too. Okay, so the other place to find things, templates is those two areas primarily. And generally, this is another area you might want to look. So you've got this area here, you've got this area here, and you've also got you might want to try. So you can click through that to see what's available there. Of course, the other option is if you go into create a design and then select a design that you want to create. So for example, I've just picked up on Instagram. You could also go into the templates this way. So if you click on there, I think it will preloads it anyhow, and then it comes up with lots of different options for you to use. Now, if you wanted to go from this blank document to using one of these, then just click on it, and it will tell you that that one was a pro version one, not a free one. I should have seen there's actually a crown, which means that's not a free version. So if you just click on this one, then that will automatically populate your design, and then you can start changing things around. So for example, if you've got this color, you can highlight it as you see with the purple box, click on the color, and then you can change that to whatever color you want. Okay, and if you see now at the bottom, we've changed that mustard into an orange, and you'll see at the bottom here it says change all. So if you click on that, then all of the mustard designs elements side of it will change. You see it hasn't changed the text on this particular case because it's not an element, so you'd have to do that separately. So you'd highlight that, you go to the color, and then you change that, and then now it's asking you, do you want to change all? And that's regards to the text, so we'll say yes to that. So now all of the text is gone from orange, from the mustard color to the orange color. Okay, so that's how you would do that. I hope that was useful.